Hi guys, welcome to Digital R&K. I'm Nandakishore for Digital R&K YouTube channel. Let's begin with the introduction of this channel. Alright, so basically the main intention to start this YouTube channel is to provide you guys some ideas, tips, tricks and strategies which I have learned and will be learning about digital marketing in the future. Before we begin with the digital marketing, I believe it's important to understand the difference between traditional marketing and modern marketing. Traditional marketing is a type of marketing which is present from past many years and still it's going on. Traditional marketing relies on flyers, billboards, TV ads, radio ads, print ads, etc. It is not cost effective as it needs to spend crores together in order to hire a celebrity for a television ad and for an event sponsorship. But the question is, how many people have purchased your products or services? Digital marketing, on the other hand, depends on tools such as search engine optimization, search engine marketing, social media channels, affiliate marketing, content marketing, and blogging. It is cost effective and will deliver the best results by showing your ads to relevant customers.
That's just a brief explanation. Let's see the exact difference between traditional versus digital marketing based on the objective. The first point is reach. Reach is limited in traditional marketing because of its nature and limitation. It's very hard to reach maximum people. Where in digital marketing, the reach is maximum as more people use smartphones and your ad can be reached to more people. Target audience. It's easy to reach out to local audience or customers with the traditional marketing methods. Digital marketing lets you reach the targeted audience or customers globally from all over the world. Communication. You can notice that very less interaction is involved in traditional marketing as the promotion mediums are not flexible enough to incorporate the customer's interaction. Traditional marketing involves one-way communication as marketing mediums are quite rigid. Digital marketing, on the other hand, offers a number of digital platforms to the customers like social networking sites, e-commerce websites, different apps for collecting their feedback, where they can put their views about the products or services. Digital marketing promotes two-way communication and thus helps to satisfy the customer and make the customer feel that they are being listened to and served. Real-time results. With traditional marketing methods, the company must wait for weeks or months to get the results. Online marketing or digital marketing gives quick results and thus it is easy to get real-time marketing results. Marketing cost. Traditional marketing is expensive as it involves printing, radio or TV advertisements, celebrity endorsement, which cost more to the company. Digital marketing is less costly as compared to the traditional marketing method as everything is online and the use of social websites does not cost even a penny. Based on the marketing requirement, the business can opt for paid ads if they want to. Documentation. Traditional methods of marketing provide the hard copy of products or services, description which can be read again and again. Digital platforms provide the description in soft copy over the website or through videos, YouTube, etc., which can be accessed anytime, anywhere as per the customer's requirement, and it provides paper-free documentation. Marketing approach. Traditional marketing is more of a personal approach as it is very easy for marketers to have a person-to-person relationship in informing the public or promoting their brand's name. The physical presence of the marketers is not at all required in digital marketing. Yes, physical presence will be a bonus, but is not required, and digital marketing allows the marketer to reach a finite number of customers easily. Marketing analysis. The result analysis is complex with traditional marketing as the companies need to rely on the surveys and the findings of the market. On the other hand, in digital marketing, data and facts are recorded and stored online, which makes it easy for the marketers to analyze the marketing result. Terms you need to be aware in digital marketing. These are the terms which you will hear repeatedly or frequently in your daily digital marketing activities. Guys, I have created these words which you can go through. These terms you will use every day in your daily digital marketing activities. Next we have Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, landing page, organic, Google AdWords, impression, keywords, pay-per-click. Then next we have position, ranking, search networker, SEO, website, quality score, SEM, SERP, unique visitors, XML sitemap.
Key components of digital marketing. The first point that I have for you is search engine optimization. SEO refers to how effectively you have designed strategies to boost your rankings on top of online search results. Pay-per-click advertising. PPC is a type of internet marketing in which advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ad is clicked. Web design. Optimized web design will help you drive more traffic to your website and keeps people engaged with your web content. Content marketing. Quality content is a key component of content marketing. Quality content allows you to target keywords related to your business and address searches questions, which in turn helps you achieve higher ranking. Social media marketing. Social media allows you to connect with current and potential customers and develop relations with them. If they have questions about the products and services, they can connect and ask questions directly on social media. Email marketing. Since people opt in to receive your emails, you know they are interested in the products and services that you offer. A great lead nurturing strategy, email marketing allows you to follow with potential customers and send custom information about the products and services that interest them. When did digital marketing become popular? The term digital marketing was first invented and used in the year 1990. At that time, Web 1.0 platform was developed, which helped users to find out their necessary information, but it did not allow them to share this information over the web. In 1993, the first clickable web ad banner went live. A company purchased some ads for their product promotion. This was the point when digital marketing era started. Future of digital marketing. Nowadays, digital marketing is packed with ever-growing opportunities, and people doesn't want to miss those opportunities as they believe that this will boost their business growth. These days, due to the emergence of internet and smartphones, more than 170 million people are using social media regularly. Digital marketing experts are trying to educate themselves with the core principles of digital marketing so that they can grab attention from more customers. Digital marketing basically helps a company to promote its products or brands through various online channels so that they can reach out to the targeted customers quickly without any hassle. Today, the popularity of digital marketing is exceptional. Very soon, it is believed that digital marketing will completely take over traditional marketing. With its awesome features and opportunity, digital marketing will conquer offline and traditional marketing. Benefits of digital marketing. The first point is global reach. You can reach and find new markets and trade globally without need to travel. Lower cost. A well-planned and effectively managed digital marketing campaign can reach the right customers at a much lower cost than traditional marketing methods. Trackable, measurable results. Measuring your online marketing with web analytics and other online metric tools makes it easier to establish how effective your online campaign has been. You can also obtain detailed information about how customers interact with your website or respond to your ads. Personalization. If your customer database is linked to your website, then whenever someone visits your site, you can greet them with targeted offers. The more they buy from you, the more you can refine your customer profile and market effectively to them. Openness. By getting involved with social media and managing it carefully, you can build customer loyalty and create reputation for being easy to engage with. Social currency. Digital marketing lets you create engaging campaigns with content marketing tactics. This content, that is images, videos and articles, can gain social currency, being passed from user to user and becoming viral. Improved conversion rates. If you have a website, then your customers are only a few clicks away from making a purchase. Unlike other media which require people to get up and making a phone call or go to a shop, digital marketing can be seamless and immediate. Conclusion. I would like to conclude that the future belongs to digital marketing as people are exposed to social media by sharing and updating their activity every time on social media channels. This will allow the companies to find and target relevant customers. Guys, if you have any feedback or suggestion about this video, then please send me an email directly to my inbox. I will consider your feedback and suggestion and will try to implement in my upcoming videos. And also, which helps me to create great content in the future. I request each one of you watching this video to subscribe to this channel for updates on new uploads, and also don't forget to click on that notification bell right next to that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to follow our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram pages. The links are provided in the description box below. Alright, see you guys in my next video. Peace out.